Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Erol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will play with calculated fields. Calculated fields can be created with the fields that you already have in your data sets. Using them, you can create new fields. For example, in my data source, I have session start, view item, add to cart, checkout, and purchase numbers, but I don't have percentages between those steps. So if I want to create, if I want to know how many of those, views starts a session, views an item, I can, use these two numbers to calculate this field. And then I can put those calculated fields into more context, like, adding them into a chart to see, how they behave. So let's do the same for add to carts. So that now that we know 30% of session starters view an item, let's see that how many of them adds those viewed items to carts. To do this, we just need to go to this section and click on add a field. Then we can add a calculated field. There we can select, what was it, add to cart divided to session start. Nope, not session start, some of view item. So now we do see view item to add to cart rate. Let's edit. Once the calculated field is saved, you can close it and it will appear here. You see it has this function image right next to it. Once you click on it, you can see the function. In case your function doesn't work, you can just alter it, change it, update it. So let me select this thing. And now we can see 12%. Let's change the view. Let's turn it into percent. Okay. About 12% of item viewers add those items to the carts. If I want to replicate what I have here, all I need to do is copy paste the metric and then coming on here and changing the visualizations chart from scorecard to a time series. Let's do smooth time series. All right, created. We can play more. For example, we can come over here, remove the grids, make them transparent, or you may want to add, points. But this is it. Showing points can help you. By the way, as we previously discussed, maybe you may want to see this as a progress. And you may want to have a target value of, let's say that 15%. So you just want to have 15% of item viewers adding those items to the carts. You can see that you are getting close, but not there. By doing such actions, you can do the same for everything. You can easily find out in which step in your funnel you need to make some improvements. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please like it. If you like, Looker Studio tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want to improve yourself as a data-driven marketer, consider subscribing to my newsletter. And see you in the next video. Next, we will discuss about how to create heat maps. Bye.